To learn to play the wheels on the bus, first we need to learn the C and G chords.
Please note your guitar will need to be in tune for your C and G chords to sound right. This is the mini C chord diagram. Use finger number 1 on fret 1, string 2. Bend finger number 1 so you're only touching string 2. Good. Now strum the bottom 3 strings to play the chord. Great. Now let's look at the G chord. This is the mini G chord diagram. Use finger number 3 on fret 3, string 1. Good. Now strum the bottom 3 strings to play the chord. Here is a demonstration of me playing C, then G, then C, then G. Practice going back and forth until the change is smooth. Now let's try it with the song Strum C where it says C and strum G. Where it says G, when you see A / strum the previous chord again.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found this helpful.
You can find a complete set of chord sheets available on my Patreon page. The content is structured in a progressive manner, starting with songs only featuring C and G chords, followed by the next chapter that includes songs incorporating C, G, and D chords, and so on.